Look at that! They will be baking together. That's why Nathan is
So excited.
so excited. Naghugas ng kamay. Yan ang ginagawa nila. Pag walang pasok si Nathan, mag-bake sila. Yan ang banding nila, guys. Croissant with, look, chocolate. Are you helping Papa? Wow! Look at the croissant that Nathan baked, guys. What's inside? Show us, babe. Show the guys. Show the guys what's inside of your croissant. Wow! So yummy. Enjoy!
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you for the
For the real one.
real one, the real surprise. Sinabihan ko siya ba, nagawin na talaga namin ngayon ang totoong surprise namin sa kanya. Kayong isang araw na udlot kay nag-ulan, gawin na natin ngayon habang maaga pa kay mamayang hapon mag-ulan na naman. Iba si Inday Garnet nung nag-2026.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you for the
For the real one.
the real surprise. Sinabihan ko siya ba, nagawin na talaga namin ngayon ang totoong surprise namin sa kanya. Kayong isang araw na udlot kay nag-ulan, gawin na natin ngayon habang maaga pa kay mamayang hapon mag-ulan na naman. Oh, we're almost there. Just look ha, just look. Just look there, just look there. We're almost there. Hala, in 3, 2, 1. Surprise! What is that?
The
Carnival!
carnival.
Yes! You like my surprise?
Yes, the park.
Yeah. Dito na tayo.
The park.
Hala, parang close na no.
You sure?
Yeah, it says 11:30 to open. Yun
Well, that
lang.
is pretty much now. So
Yeah.
they're still starting.
Can we go to the cars and planet like a
You want to go to the car like what is that? The roller coaster?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Very much.
Wow.
Wow, so big Ferris wheel.
Super tiny.
What are you feeling now? Feeling good. Now let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! It's moving and moving. Parang wala pa man sarado pa man ang iba, guys. Pero sabi sa Google, bukas sila ng 11:30. Yeah, they're opening right now. Busy pa sila. Ay, hindi na siya action. It's like a second-hand shop also, mahal. Dito na lang tayo sa grocery. Mamili tayo ng pang-dinner tonight kay si Daniel po ang magluto. Iluto ni Papa yung pasta. The Easter pasta that we bought yesterday. Maganda itong grocery nila dito. The Easter pasta that we bought yesterday, you remember? You will eat that tonight with the egg pasta and the carrot and the rabbit pasta. Tingnan nyo ang mga gulay nila na slice.
There's carrots pasta.
Yeah. Look. Pang nasi, pang bami, pang Thai. Ito Thai, pang Thailand mga dishes na gulay. Chinese. But iba yan guys, Italian. Mexican also. Tingnan nyo. Anong meron sa Mexican? Dito naman, puro patatas, iba't iba. With garlic. Yan yun. Ito naman, pang oven. And ito with paprika. May mga ganito din sila guys, mihon. Bihon good sa atin. Mihon ang tawag nila. May bami din. Naluto na ba? Initin mo na lang. Pero iba ang lasa nito. Hindi siya masyado ganun kasarap. Hindi siya papasa sa atin guys. Iba pa rin tayo magluto. Kaya ano yan, Dutch ang mga nagluto niyan. Pasta carbonara. Pasta, you like?
You know, if I had known this while I was alone when you were in the Philippines, then maybe I would have gotten some here.
Yeah.
Because that not so much, but these actually look okay.
Yeah. Meron din silang chicken satay. Yung may peanut butter. Ito yung
Pasta
very
carbonara
Dutch.
looks okay.
Stampot. Mga pagkain nila guys.
Wow.
Sarado pa rin. Alas 12 na. Tayo lang pinagluluko nito ba? Sarado pa rin hanggang ngayon. Yeah.
That one, I mean.
You want that?
Yeah.
Gusto niya daw dito. But that's very fast, baby love. Are you sure?
Still closed.
Ask daw, my love. What time are they open? What's happening here? Maybe mamaya pa to. Mga alas 5 magbukas. Mag-ulan na mamaya. What?
You want to do this?
You want to do this? That's very big. And you're not allowed with this kind of stuff, baby love, because you have allergy with the
That's
dust
true.
mites.
That's my allergy.
Yeah, that's why you don't have stuffed toys. Mahirap masyado yan kunin, good? Hmm? Ito yung kanilang horror. Still very close. Balik na lang tayo dito sa sunod yung ano na ba? Paggabi na. Sure na bukas ito, ha?
Why not open?
I don't know. They're still busy preparing. Tawagan niya lang daw uma niya, guys. Kausapin mo ang uma mo, ha? Talk to her.
Hallo!
Ik bel je zo even, want ik ben oma aan het helpen op de toilet.
Okay, hoi hoi.
Hoi
Ay,
hoi.
Oma is with Oma Hiska.
I'm not going to my school.
Wala man, napurnada ang ating surprise sa kanya. Si Bianan, tatawag daw siya ulit.
About one sneaker?
Yeah, we need to wait because she's helping Oma to pee. Or to poop maybe. We have another surprise for you. It's inside surprise. Ito matagal niya na to na request. Dati-dati patagadaan namin dito. Mamaya, ha? Okay? Ganda to guys, oh. Para sa garden ba? No? Lagay mo lang doon. Meron din silang paganyan, oh. Ito niya daw yan, oh.
This one?
Yeah, we can play it if you want. But you have money, right? You are saving. So that is 6 euros. And how much money do you have on your savings?
I don't know.
You know how much money you have?
14 euros.
14 euros, yeah. Now, you ask Papa, okay?
Papa!
If that's good. Because I'm not sure how you play with that one.
Kunnen we dit kopen?
Ik weet niet, hoe duur is dat?
6 euros. He wants to buy it with this money.
Dat wil je met je eigen zakgeld kopen? Ja?
That's for in the garden, right?
Weet je wat je ermee moet doen? Ja, dan moet je met de hamer moet je de bal door de poortjes van het dier dus slaan.
Ja, dat.
In the garden, right?
Wil je dat zelf met je eigen geld kopen?
Ja.
Oké, nou dan mag dat.
Nilabas na nila ang mga pa-barbecue, guys. Bumili ako ng grilling, pero electric. Tapos fast free po siya. Abangan. How about like this, baby love? This one. You don't want this? Look, this one. Can you tell him, Han?
De pinnetjes.
This one or this one?
That one.
Okay. That one to my love. I was looking for that.
Yeah, this one is
That's nice for in the garden too. Yeah. 2 euros and 72 lang. You have any idea what's my surprise for you? You really wanted to try this way before every time we are passing by? You always say, Mama, can we go there? Mama, can I try that? Do you know what?
No.
Not yet? Okay, let's go there. Doon tayo mag-lunch sa KFC, guys. Yan ang surprise namin sa kanya. Kaya every time talaga. Siguro mga 100 times na. Magdaan kami dyan. Can we try that, Mama? I never ate there. Nakakain na good siya noon. Nakalimutan niya na siguro. Ngayon, pakainin natin siya dyan.
Dad.
Yeah. Wow, we're eating here today.
Long time no eat.
Long time no eat here.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
With the surprise?
Yeah, with the surprise. May ano na din sila ba? Happy meal para sa mga bata.
So, it's veggie.
No, veggie. Surprise! This is for Nathan.
Die is vanavond, denk ik. Ja.
So
That's
big,
chicken. Try it.
So big chicken.
Yeah. And you've got also strawberry milkshake. So, how's your chicken? Do you like it here? Because you really want to try, right?
They make me a small baker.
Yeah. Okay. Then eat now, baby love. Eat first and then later you will get your gift from KFC. Oh, may pagganyan-ganyan pa siya. Look, your son, mahal. Doing a thumbs up.
Wat doe je?
Thumbs up daw, it's yummy. How about your mais? You try your mais? Their mais is very yummy. Later, yes? When you're done. I don't know how you play this.
Looks like a game.
Game. This one is very, very yummy.
And this one?
And this one is just okay, yummy, okay. But this one is not yummy. Very yummy, just okay yummy, or not yummy. What do you think? So many. What man? Ang tatay.
Okay,
Oh, just okay yummy. Mag-mow na muna si Daniel, guys. Kaya hindi niya malaro yung kakabili lang natin na laruan niya. Kaya kahaba na. Ano na tong garden natin na maganda. Maganda pa rin. Yung mga upuan doon, no? Nagkanda mo retching na. Very good. Thank you. Hindi na tayo makapunta kay Bianan, guys, kasi busy din po siya sa buhay niya. Nagpa-practice kasi sila. Kaya di ba meron siya yung saxophone niya. So nagpa-practice po sila kaya meron silang big event. Parang pupunta po ang dalawang anak niya. 2 hours kasi. Hindi kami pwede ninatan ba kay mabagot po yan doon. Kahit si Bianan nagsabi. More than 2 hours. Tapos kailangan bumili ng ticket.
Okay. Hello, guys.
Oy, ganun. Masira yan.
Okay.
Look. And then we put it here. Oh no, not here. This is the wood. And then, in 3, 2, 1. Get! 2, 1, go!
Oh. I know.
Your turn. Also, no! This is so hard, I think.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Get! Do you like your new toy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 6 euros, ha? You need to pay us.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Whee!
Pero yung 6 euros na balik din. Kasi every Saturday, Nathan is getting how much? Every Saturday, Nathan is getting?
Euro.
Yeah, 1 euro. Right? And then, he is saving that. So, now he got 14 euros. 1 euro yan siya, guys, every Saturday.
Patay mo, okay?
I like that! Dito na kami naglaro, guys. Hindi kami makalaro sa garden. Nag-prepare na ako doon. Grabe, kahangin. Mahal, we cannot play there. It's too windy for this. I told you, my husband will cook dinner for tonight.
You know, you're asking me for quick sauce. But
Why?
you could have gone for slow sauce.
Iba kasi yan siya magluto ng ano, guys, ng
Now I don't
pasta
have the
yung...
ingredients for slow sauce, only for quick sauce.
Yeah. Yung masarapan talaga ba, gusto niyo yung 5 hours niluluto ang pasta sauce. Pero ito, mabilisan lang ito, kaya wala na ding oras. How many hours do you cook your pasta sauce, Mahal, the real pasta sauce?
Minimum of 3, but best is 6.
Are the Italians doing it like that too?
Way longer even.
Really? No. We cook our spaghetti sauce just like 30 minutes in the Philippines. Tingnan nyo, nilabas niya ng mga herb niya. Meron siyang tomato na binalatan, tomato puree, at ito, look at that, all the gulay in the world. Bumili din siya ng mushroom, bruschetta herb. Meron din po siyang oregano. Ganun din kayo magluto ng spaghetti nyo, guys. Tutuhanan yan siya magluto. Pasimple-simple lang yung ano ko, guys, Italian sa herb. Pasimple-simple lang mister ko, pero nagluluto din po talaga yan, no. And my husband is doing it like that because, Mahal?
If you don't, then it doesn't stick together. It all falls apart and it's like you don't have any meat.
Yeah, ginaganon niya. How do you say
Also,
that in English?
I put herbs in here, so we need to do this. Need the meat.
Need the meat. Luluto niya na. Look at that. O, di ba tayo, mag-isa man tayo una. Sila dito, hindi sila marunong mag-isa. Unahin mo na ang karne. Sa atin, gisa talaga para magbango ang, ano yan, ang ating niluluto. Kasi 'di ba may best friend po yan na chef cook si Daniel, guys. Dito siya kumain, hindi pa ako nagba-vlog noon. Oo, yun pa yung nagpahinga ako ba, tapos nagpasyal po siya dito. Nagluto ako ng escabeche na pampano. Oo, tapos dito po siya nag-dinner sa amin. Alam niyo, nag-ano pa lang ako, nag-isa lang ako ha. Nag-isa lang ako ng garlic, ng onion, tapos na isa ng kamatis, tapos ano ba, ano yan? Ginger. Bumaba. Ano daw niluluto ko? Grabe daw kabango. Sabi ko, hindi nyo kasi ginigisa ang mga pagkain nyo dito, kaya hindi nyo talaga ito naamoy yung mga ganitong amoy. Diba kasi kabango niyan, guys? Bumaba talaga siya. Kabango daw na niluluto ko na nag-isa lang naman ako. Guys, may binibenta po pala kami ngayong bagong lupa, 5 to 6 minutes from Beach Resorts and Wharf. Diba? Kalapit lang masyado. Tapos, alam nyo, magkano lang babayaran nyo? Every month, ang monthly nito ay tumataginting na 7,500 pesos lang. At very legit po nito, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sirain ko ba naman ang pangalan ko, guys, na Inday Garnet, na magbenta-benta kami ng mga lupa-lupa lang dyan na hindi amin. Kung interested po kayo, i-message niyo si Garnet Lupa. Ayan, ilalagay ko po dyan. At saka sa, ano po ni Flexi, ano ba si, palit-palit kasi ang page ni Flexi. Ngayon, ilagay ko na lang din po dyan. Yan yung mga legit na pwede nyo pong pagbilan ng lupa, guys. Alam nyo, investment din po yan. Kasi pag natapos yung bridge, gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo dati, mas magmahal po ang lupa sa Samal. Kaya, bili na. Tingnan nyo. Ngayon niya pa nilagay ang garlic. Diba? Tayo, wala na. Kanina pa yan. Nasunog na yan. Kanina pa naluto yan. Ngayon niya lang nilagay. And with all the gulays in the world, ilalagay pa ang mushroom.
Tomatoes,
Chopped tomatoes.
which is the quick way because else you need to chop your own tomatoes.
Grabe talaga dito sa Netherlands ba kay pina-easy ang buhay. Oh, that's the chopped tomatoes and this one is the peeled tomatoes.
Yeah, which is pretty much the same. But one is chopped and one is peeled. But when you cook it, as long as I'm going to cook it, it's the same.
But in the Philippines, mahal, we use ready-made pasta sauce.
And in my long pasta sauce, mahal,
Yeah?
I use tomatoes.
Yeah?
You know, tomato.
Ah, so you don't use this when you're making a good pasta. You're making an original one.
On what I'm smelling my fingers, it's a very garlicky, but not so
Yeah.
much.
He can cook ha, he can cook. In fairness. Ang salamin ko, guys. Nakalimutan. Pumili ko ako ng atay. I-marinate ko siya. Eh para pag nagutom tayo mamaya at nag-crave tayo, meron tayong panagang. Lagyan natin ng paminta. Toyo, tapos nilagyan ko ng kunting kalamansi, paminta, tapos kainin ko na to kay grabe ka-excited sa pasta niya. You see that? Ay, yeah. And not just egg. Look, guys.
Bunnies.
I told you, with bunnies.
Yes. And carrots?
And carrot. Grabe, alas 4 pa lang magkain na siya, guys. Mamaya mag-snack na lang ito. Like that. Si Daniel, ayaw niya pa daw. Mamaya na siya. Grabe, kasarap. Walang halong plaktikan. Walang halong kaplastikan. Kasarap po ng pasta sauce ni Daniel, guys.
Hi.
Magustuhan din to ni Nathan. Still very hot. Wow, ibang-iba sa spaghetti natin, guys. Walang katamis-tamis kahit kunti. Ano ang itsura niya, guys? Tingnan nyo, ganyan siya magkain ng pasta. Mas gusto niya na yung malasahan niya talaga yung pasta sauce tas nasa gilid. Kaya yan ang ginagawa ko. How do you like your Easter pasta? Very yummy?
Yeah.
All the veggies in the world. Look. Wow. And the pasta sauce that Papa made with all the gulay in the world. Wow, look at that, guys. Nathan loves that. You try. All the gulay. Nathan is eating gulay every day. Yesterday, he ate all the gulays in the world in the sinigang. And today, gulays in the world in the pasta. Craving satisfied, everyone! Kasarap man magkanin. Yeah, wash your hands please. Tapos na si Nata. Di kami nagsabay-sabay kay kaaga pa. Air fryer lang. Minarinig ng kunti. Kalami ko kasi nakain kanina. Maga ba? Nag-guys na ako. What are you drinking?
Lemon lemonade.
A lemon lemonade? Si Daniel nagawa na ng pasta niya, guys. Nagutom na din ang mister ko. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
And what does Papa has?
Lemon lemonade.
But I can drink this tomorrow when I want. I can drink it all
Nag-English
day
ng
when
tatay.
I want it. Papa.
Kay English na ang Papa. He's always doing that pa. What are you doing? Show Papa. Papa, look. When it's yummy. You know, when he ate the pasta, he also did that.
Did he eat a lot?
Yeah, he ate a lot. He
Sauce?
ate all the pasta and also the sauce.
Ja, dat is heel goed.
Yeah.
O, sige na, mag-so guys na tayo, be. So, guys.
Thank you for sweet lemon.
Ayusin mo. Dali na. So, guys.
Thank you for sweet lemon.
Goro man ito
I
siya.
want to say to Papa, thank you for sweet lemon.
Oh, of course.
Thank you
Especially for you. It's
Ah, sige.
sweet, but no
Dali na. Before we end this vlog, go sing for the guys the Do, Re, Mi.
The rainy fa sol la ti do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do.
A deer, a female deer, a tropical the sun. Me a name I call myself. Fa a long way to run.
So.
A needle for a ray.
La.
A fin, and then do 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 do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, do. Do, do.
Again, mahal.
I mean, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, do.
And you.
The rainy fa sol la ti do.